Hey, what's up, guys? Just on the way back out to central Newfoundland to my hometown for a few days. Met up with my buddy Ray Bartlett here in Deer Lake, and this is an unplanned Nutnfancy style gear check. So I want you to lay out what EDC gear you're carrying on the trunk of the car. Go for it.
I'm carrying everything I got.
What you got? List it.
Vantage.
Show it.
Buck Vantage.
Do a better job of showing it. So that's the smaller one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
Buck 110.
That's a classic. How you carrying that? Okay. Draw a holster. Yeah.
And the chill.
Kershaw Chill. Nice choices. Wow, lots of edges. Got another piece of gear?
Got me on a day with everything.
And what is this?
Gerber Dime.
Gerber Dime. What do you got hanging off it?
Leather. Leather, yeah. Leather.
Okay. You wear that in your back pocket?
Yep.
Should I edge test you? Should I be that cruel? Edge test. Do
Edge test. Which ones?
an arm test.
Is taking hairs.
Shaving sharp on one.
The tip. It's blunt.
A little bit rough on that one. Okay, here's the 110. No, she's taking hairs.
That's it.
Satisfactory or not?
No.
Not satisfactory. That's pretty good gear check though. Well equipped.
Overly equipped.
A lot more edges than I carry.
I know you say when like so wide out.